Today let's talk about how to fix Telegram gifts not sending. Now there can be a few cases to this. Firstly, and the most obvious one is you need to top up your stars. So make sure you head over to the stars option within the settings of Telegram. Right here you'd be able to see the option called stars being displayed. So simply head over to stars and make sure that these stars are available. If they are not, make sure you top them up. Secondly, you'll also need to verify that the recipient that is receiving the gift has turned on the gifts option. So what the recipient must do is from their settings within Telegram, they need to head over to privacy and security, and right here within the gift section, make sure that they have set it to everybody or at least to my contacts. Once you complete or do these two steps, you should be able to solve this issue. If the issue still persists, then what you could do in this situation is just reinstall the application of Telegram onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.